Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mike and today I'm gonna show you easy and quick recipe how you can make amazing, vibrant green wild garlic oil at home. And now in this season, wild garlic starts growing, so last week we went for a walk to the forest and tried to find some fresh garlic leaves. And we were lucky and found this huge area that was full of wild garlic. This is the best time for harvesting while the leaves are young and have the best and strong taste. Because when it begins to bloom, it's too late and garlic is already losing its strength. So now I have full bag of garlic leaves here and let's make some more with it. So first I have to make my oil hot. This is sunflower oil, but you can use other vegetable oils as well. Then I got here wild garlic with parsley. I'm gonna use roughly 2 parts of wild garlic and 1 part of parsley. I don't wanna use the hard part because there is not much color, so I'm gonna pick just the tops. So I get taste from wild garlic leaves and more color from parsley. My oil got around 90 degrees Celsius, so I put my greens in and bring it to 90 degrees again. And then blend everything in the machine for at least 5 minutes. Now you need water with ice so you can cool down your oil quickly and you don't lose the color. I like to use even cloth for super clean oil. And last step, how to do oil even more clear, is to put the oil inside a popping bag, and after a few hours you can take out dirty part. And amazing wild garlic green oil is done. So I hope you liked today's recipe, guys. If you learned something new, give it thumbs up, and if you got any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you like fine dining cooking at home, I recommend you to subscribe this channel so you can learn something new every week. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.